Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make time in your rundown update automatically in Excel. Okay, let's get started. First, open your rundown in Excel. Let's say I have a rundown like this. Now, if you want to add words minutes in the durations column, don't type it directly because it can break the formula. Instead, just do this. Highlight the column first and then right click and then choose format cells. Go to customs and in type field just type like this and then click OK. And just like that the word minutes will appear automatically. Now to make the time updated automatically, make sure you already have the start time like this. Just enter it in the first row. This will be used as the reference. Then in the next row just enter this formula. I will copy it and then paste it on the cells and then just change the formula like this. Start time cell, just change it by select the start time cell like this, and the second duration cell, just change it with the cell of the second duration like this, and then just hit enter. Then just drag down the formula and now you will see the times update automatically in your rundown. It's super simple. And if you have to change the durations like this, the time will update automatically. And okay, maybe that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.